Okay, here we are at Cley, Marshes, a reserve situated on the A149 North Norfolk Coast Road. We're just waiting to get our permits from the visitor centre, which opens at 10 o'clock. And very impressive it is too. Got a cafe and panoramic views across the marshes there, and a shop. Okay, we're out on the reserve. We've just purchased our permits, and there's some excellent habitat here, from salt marsh and large areas of water, and also beach, but there's also vast areas of reed bed here, and the air is filled with the sound of streamers and the smell of wood smoke as they're clearing some of the reeds. We're just making our way now to the hides to get out of this vicious wind, and this lady actually doing some watercolours. Looking out, the air is filled with skeins of geese, mostly Brents I think, but I think there could be some pink-footed geese up there too, but there's no mistaking these birds. These are definitely Brent geese that have just come into land. There's also good numbers of these birds avocet on view today. It's hard to believe that by 1840 they'd been hunted to extinction here in the UK, but thankfully they were recolonised at Minsmere in 1947, and they've spread ever since. We've also got godwit here today. I think these are black-tailed. It's difficult to be sure from this distance. Also some gulls, mainly black-headed gulls, but there is a juvenile lesser blackback among them there. Also good views of this bird, the lapwing. Usually see them at a distance, so it's nice to get decent close-ups of them here today. We've also got mallard on view. Another type of wader, common wader, redshank. Got some shell duck just flying in there. Striking colours. And also good views of this duck. It's a shoveler. Both males and females. The male there with his brightly coloured breeding plumage on view now. Also good views of teal here today. This is a male Eurasian teal. We've got flying in. We've got widgeon. There's basically three types of feeding styles with duck. There's dabbling ducks, the ones that upend and feed on the bottom. Diving ducks, like tufted duck and pochard, that dive down, get their food. And grazing ducks, and widgeon is one of the grazing ducks. They'll actually feed on the grass shoots, as you can see them doing there. Also, we saw starlings today, and one of the definite highlights of the day was the good views of this bird, the snipe. It's a common snipe, not particularly common though. There's only about 80,000 breeding pairs in the UK, and they've got an amber status with the RSPB. And another highlight was this pair of Marsh Harriers hunting above the reeds here at Cley, and I'll never get fed up with watching or filming these birds, so I'll leave you with some music and a look at those.